That was fun. So, what I've got for you today is just a little exercise to help get your gallop sounding as amazing as possible. And we're going to be focusing on our E string, which is the top string up here. And our strumming pattern is going to be going down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down. Pretty cool. So, what we have is, you may have realised, I'm muting the strings after each down, up, down. This is to give it that bit of space to make it sound like a gallop. Otherwise, you run the risk of it sounding a bit like this. Which doesn't really sound very galloping. We want to hear each individual set of 3 notes going down, down, up, 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 down. So try this at home. Start slow and then build up that speed, and you'll be galloping at the speed of light in no time.